Hello, my name is May, and my channel is Applied Virtual Solutions. Today I am presenting to you company websites that hire often for flexible remote jobs. The first company is Writer's Work. These are high-paying non-phone remote jobs. This company is seeking writers of any skill level. Writer's Work connects anyone interested in writing with the companies that need them desperately. They have thousands of writing jobs available and all of the training, tools, and the support you need to land the best writing jobs. Start a career as a freelance writer today. Set your own hours and work from home. Types of jobs available. General content. Websites need content and a lot of it. Write for some of the biggest brands and fill their help sections, landing pages, and provide proofreading and editing services. Blogging. Write interesting blogs for brands all over the country. Blog about the topics that interest you most. Copywriting. In order for companies to compete, they need to have top-notch sales copy. They will train those who want to join their team. Social media posts. Help brands fill their social media accounts and connect directly with their customers with interesting social media posts. Requirements. You must be 18 years or older. You need a reliable internet connection. Excellent customer service. Willing to do great work for great pay. Freelance writers can earn anywhere from $20 to $65 an hour. Compensation varies depending on skill level. Writer's Work provide the training you need to become one of the top earning writers on the web. If freelance writing interests you, apply online today. I will leave the link to this company in the comments section. The next freelance writing company is Constant Content. They make it easy for companies to find and hire you. Constant Content is trusted by thousands of businesses including Uber, Zulily, The Home Depot, Walgreens, Hayneedle, CVS, eBay, and others. And is one of the largest and most established platforms for facilitating connections between big brands and you. Their writers make money in one of two ways: by submitting articles to the catalog for sale at a price they set, or by responding to customer requests from clients and writing on a project-by-project basis. Create a professional bio that showcases your writing skills and experience. Establish a steady workload that fits your schedule and availability. Set your own price. Top writers earn up to $70,000 plus per year. Build long-term relationships with clients. Find projects that match your expertise and interests. There is always dedicated writer support just an email away at Constant Content. The next freelance writing website is Contina. Contina is a premium freelance writing website that aims to be more than just another job board. It's one of my best recommendations for freelance writing sites. They have what they call their writing job finder, that automatically collects the best freelance writing gigs from around the web. Then you can search and sort through them to find the best opportunities, whether that's a $10,000 a month full-time ebook writing gig or a one-off blog post in the sports niche. That saves you a ton of time trying to go to a bunch of different sites to find jobs. Alerts emails are sent to your inbox daily, which save you even more time by showing you just the jobs that meet your criteria, like rates and niche. Even though you need to apply and pay for their platform, They provide such high-quality work that it easily pays for itself. Thank you for joining me today to hear of these 3 freelance writing companies. I will leave a link to this information in the comments section below this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video if you found it useful. Have a nice day.